Hey there, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty. I'm going to show you my new lease listing just half a block away from the Tujunga Village. It's 4284 Tujunga. It's basically a triplex, but this front unit is standalone. There's nobody above or below you. And a nice, spacious, natural light living room. As a reminder, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up, down, turn around, and go backwards. 2 bedrooms are over there. This is the dining area. Nice window and a cute little kitchen. Comes with a fridge. There is a back door as well. All right. There's a wall furnace right here. And then here's bedroom number 1, let's say. Closets are nicely pointed. You can hook this up to any window you want to add some cool air. This is a cool little landing area in between the bedrooms. Then we have a full bathroom. We got a tub and a shower. It's really cute. Wood floors throughout. It's got that old vintage look. There's a few leftover things, Christmas lights, and then there is another furnace right there. Very private. Let me open this up and show you. It's closet's a decent size too. Look at that. Goes back there. All right, that's it. If you'd like to take a look in person, let me know and we'll get you in. Thanks for watching.